Alright, you can see we're out here on a roof. The roof is on fire. It's really not. It's pretty close to it. So we had a low voltage issue. Right here's the main power. We fixed the low voltage issue at the thermostat. We hook up the juice machine. Remember to purge the air out, young grasshoppers. She is a firsty girl. She is a firsty girl. Still thirsty, guys. She's still thirsty. We're gonna let her settle, and I'm gonna go down and get a leak seal. Show y'all what's up. I got 2 screws. Ooh, almost dropped the screwdriver. A meter. You come down. We need to give it a little bit more juice. Hose side off. We are going to, Jesus, try not to fall off the roof. No, there's no safety rails here. Flip my phone over so you can see what we're doing here. We open up the red high side. So we got liquid coming through the hose, going into the Testo 557. This is open, and it's going to come back down through the yellow hose. We're going to open this, and it goes in. So simple, so easy. You can see there's still some yellow residue. Hit it a couple times. Shut it off, shut your red off here. These are pretty good valves. They don't squirt you too bad, if at all, on this side. But when you take them off, it could be a little bit of a different story. Set you back up on the rail here. See the drip of the dye. Right off the fucking roof. Nasty ass shit. I'm just gonna lay that down and hook back up on the low side. Make sure we're maintaining. Alright, so we're at 71 PSI. It's a hot day, it's 80 degrees out. but we're over 40 degrees on our evaporator. So I'm just going to give them one last purge through, which will suck everything up through the hose, equal out the pressures down to about 70 psi. Take some of that stuff up out of there. We're going to shut it down. Shut this down. I'm just going to run it for 5-10 minutes, make sure it maintains. Give it time to cool off down there. Give me time to clean off up here. Garbage down. I got to open the filter slot door back up and rig in this cut filter here that I managed to make look all so pretty here.